Aero Dili officially launched its inaugural Dili-Darwin flight today at President Nicolau Lobato International Airport, marking a new milestone in air connectivity between Timor-Leste and Australia. The ceremony was attended by President José Ramos Horta, the Australian ambassador to Timor-Leste, the Minister of Transport and Communications, and Aero Dili representatives. In his remarks, the president of Aero Dili highlighted the importance of the new route in expanding travel opportunities and strengthening economic ties between the two countries. The Australian ambassador emphasized the flight's role in bringing people, business, and communities closer together, while the Ministry of Transport and Communications described the route as a significant step towards improving Timor-Leste's international connectivity. President José Ramos Horta welcomed the launch as a symbol of the strong and growing partnership between Timor-Leste and Australia, expressing hope that the service will boost tourism, trade, and investment. The new route is expected to create greater opportunities for travel and cooperation between Dili and Darwin.